This DOUXURY wireless backup camera system delivers a very clear 1080p full high-definition image, making it much easier to judge distance and obstacles when maneuvering a large rig. The 7-inch monitor can show a single view or split the screen into multiple panels, so you can keep an eye on rear and side cameras at the same time while towing or changing lanes. Wireless transmission is strong enough for long recreational vehicles with a stable signal designed to stay reliable even when the camera and monitor are separated by the full length of a trailer. The system includes a digital video recording function that continuously loops, giving you useful footage for documenting incidents or deterring scams and theft around your vehicle. Rugged construction with a high waterproof rating and sealed metal housings helps the cameras shrug off heavy rain, road spray, and temperature swings without fogging the lens. Installation is straightforward since the cameras and monitor only need power, and the included adapter for common pre-wired mounts makes it especially convenient for many recreational vehicle owners.